Hello, my name is Jacob Gutierrez, and I'm going to teach you how to make homemade pancakes from scratch. First, the materials you're going to need is a griddle, a spatula, and all your ingredients, which is flour, salt, milk, baking powder, sugar, and oil, vegetable oil. Yeah. So, and then when you plug in your griddle, you're going to want to turn it 350 degrees. So now, we're first going to have to put 2 cups of flour in. You smooth it down. Okay. Now we're going to put 3 tablespoons of sugar in. So there's 3 tablespoons, and now we're going to add 6 tablespoons of baking powder. So take some of this.
No.